Okay, for a simple handle change, what you'll require normally is a Stanley knife and a Phillips screwdriver. So first of all, you're going to have two what we call handle screw cap covers. So I'm just going to take my knife and I'm going to carefully pop out the screw cover, and then I'm going to keep that safe. Not all handles will have a bottom one, but the majority of the new ones that we tend to install nowadays do. So again, just very carefully ease it out. I'm just going to take my Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to take the bottom one out first, because I can use the handle to pull against. And then once I've removed that, close the handle, and it makes it a lot easier to take out the top one. Once the handle's removed, I'm going to take my new handle, and remember it's in the closed position, so you're going to have to keep the handle in the closed position as well. So put your handle in, top screw first, open the handle to get to the bottom screw, and again by doing this it allows you just to hold the handle to turn the screw. And you'll take your new screw cap covers, simply pop them back in like so, and that's the handle done.